Hi, brother. How are you?
Hello, fine, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking me. So, brother, what's your name?
Bro, my name is Rakesh.
Okay, your name is Rakesh. Nice to meet you, brother. So, could you tell me
Thank-
about yourself? Like, where are you calling from, and what do you do? What's your profession? Like that?
yes, bro, definitely. I am from Telangana.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Currently, I'm studying BBA,
Mm-hmm.
and after completion of my BBA, I wanna join MBA and to work as a manager in such a, recognized companies.
Okay, that's great. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah. So, brother, like, what is the reason? Like, why are you learning English language? What is the reason for English in your life? Could you tell me?
Yes, definitely, bro. Because nowadays English has become
Mm-hmm.
everything. Wherever we go, definitely we should speak English there. Then only the other can understand what are the feelings of mine. Because and most probably wherever you go, if you speak English well, you can deserve somewhat respect there.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
yes, for that purpose, I am learning English, and for my higher education, and um, to talk with some others, I have to know English well.
Yeah, that's great. So, how long have been learning English language? What about your journey? When did you start?
Yes, bro. From my childhood, I have been studying in English medium. Uh,
Okay.
yes, that made me to speak somewhat English like this.
Okay, that's great. So, what about
Yeah.
your study life? Like, how was going? I mean, you belong to English medium. So, what was the environment like? English environment and Hindi environment and your native language. What was environment?
Most probably the speakers they speak. I mean, my friends speak Telugu language itself. I mean, I have my local language, native language,
Okay.
and I love to speak in English. But I find no people. Most probably teachers are also sometimes the teachers may speak English. With them, I try to speak in English. That's it.
Okay.
But
Great.
continuously, they don't talk to me in English.
Why? Why they do not try it with you? What happened? Like, what was the
That
reason?
mean that mean I think they won't. They feel shy to talk in English, and they do many mistakes while they talk. They feel like that. As this is a learning. I mean, English is a learning subject, na.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's what those people are feeling shy to talk in English. If there is a regional language, they can talk. They will get no mistakes there.
Okay.
Yes, that's why the people don't talk with me sometimes, and I love to talk to them, but they disagree sometimes.
See, brother, what happened? English is very easy language, sweet language, simple language. If you do mistake, it's okay. Don't care your mistake. Just speak. Just always talk with yourself, with your friend circle. Just think about, brother, like what is the important for English in my life, okay? And if you think, automatically you will learn more and more. You will improvement lots of. So always think about, good, like good positivity. Think about English, and whenever you free, then use like some kind of like use a group, and find a good partner who's interesting to speak with you. And what about this group, brother? Like how long have been joining this group, like WhatsApp group? How was?
Yes, have joined this group before 3 days, I think so.
Okay.
I'm a new member of this group. I mean, I have joined recently.
Okay, so how was your experience? Did you, I mean, work for you? Like it's beneficial for you or not?
Yes, it is much beneficial to me because I find people like you, and I mean you are speaking very well in English. I need this kind of people who speaks well with me. Yes.
Okay. See, brother, depend on struggle, depend on your practice, brother. If you practice, definitely a future time you will become a master your English language. Okay. So depend on your struggle, brother. Always think about. See, we are taking a study like English medium, Marathi medium, Telugu medium, doesn't matter. But over there, we do not try to speak with teacher, with friend circle. Always we feel too shy, hesitation and fearness and low confidence. That's why reason we are not improving day by day. We are just thinking our native language, we are doing our native language, because we didn't think about in future time English is very important for life, a job, our career. That's why reason we are feeling too stuck. And you told me
Yeah.
like I belong to English, English background, like I was doing a study my English medium, but right now you are improving that moment, brother. If you convert stranger with a teacher, definitely right now, you able to talk with stranger people without hesitation, with feeling. But it's very important to practice, brother. It's very important.
Okay.
So
Okay,
brother,
bro. Definitely.
yeah, how do you practice yourself, like what do you do for about your English language, like listening, watching, speaking, and what kind of you are improving yourself?
Yes. Mean I used to watch English news, bro. I watch English news somewhat. Sometime I spend for it. And hello, your
Okay.
voice is okay. Okay,
Yeah,
it's
right
clear
now.
now. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, it is
okay.
clear. And thereafter, I imagine myself, if suppose I want to express my feeling to some other,
Mhm.
I'll feel myself to express them in English in my mind itself. First, I feel
Okay.
myself. How should I explain to them? I'll arrange the sentence in my mind itself. I mean, then after I'll tell them my feeling in English. So in that way, I'm trying, and wherever I meet with the children, I'll speak somewhat little bit English with them.
Okay.
So in this way, I'm trying to speak and learn English.
Okay, that's great thing, brother. You're doing great. Okay, always think about English. Okay, and if possible, brother, then you can do something like a reading part, listening part, and it's very important to talk in front of people. It's very important, brother. Why I'm going to tell, because whenever we speak in front of people, we can observe everything about our audio, emotion and pronunciation, everything. So it's very important to make a friend.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
i
yes,
i
that's
think
right.
you have a lots of friends because you belong to English, like English medium. So maybe have you any friend, brother, like you can speak with those people? Have you any friend for English?
Mm, but most probably, I don't have that kind of friends. They speak their regional language.
Okay,
Uh,
Rich.
So that's what I have no person to speak in English. I mainly I have the teachers who speak with me sometimes.
Okay. So, brother, could you tell me about your future plan? Like after your college, what will you do? What's the future plan? Like, what do you want to become? In your life. Could you tell me?
Yes, bro. I already said you I become a manager like a recognized companies in such kind of I have a goal of that.
Okay, you want to become a manager. Okay, that's great. Uh-huh.
Mhm.
So, I think around maybe 2 and 3 years remaining. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'm quite near.
Okay. Third year. You are.
I am very near to reach my goal. I'm saying
Oh, I
year,
hope
not
so,
year.
brother. I hope so. You will achieve. You will, like reach your goal, your target, your ambition, everything. I will pray
Thank
for
you.
you. Don't worry. And
Thank
by the way, you are speaking fantastic, brother. You are going to right way. Okay, just keep going. Talk about more and more. And always, I give a like always I suggest a people, stranger people, like always do hard work. Don't care about your mistake. Just learn and practice more and more, and find a good partner. Try to speak every day, every time. If you passion about English language, brother, then definitely within a short period you will learn, you will become a master for English. At least you will learn basically how to talk in front of people, you know, if you practice day by day. So it's very important.
Yes, thank you, bro. I'll definitely try.
Second thing, I forget my introduction. Okay, let me tell you my introduction. My name is Samir and I belong to Mumbai, and I done my study in BCom stream. Okay, I done my degree. Then after that I took a diploma course aviation and hospitality, we can say hotel management and air hostess training. So both course I done. And in previous year I was working in hotel sector as a front office. I worked 1 year and I quit my job because due to COVID-19. It's very difficult for me, brother. Okay.
So, yes,
Yeah.
it's become very difficult to every person, and many people lost something.
Yeah, brother. It's very difficult for us. And nowadays, I'm finding another job in airline industry. Okay. And second thing, brother, if you talk about my hobbies, I love to making a video. I love to editing a part, photography like that. Always I make a video and I upload my YouTube channel. I love. And
Okay, okay.
seriously, you are great
That's
person. You
good.
are supporting me. And over there, brother, on my video, always I know teach something about English language. Like always practice, always believe yourself, do hard work. Definitely, result will become automatically. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks, bro. You're doing a great job. I'll definitely follow your channel, and
Oh,
I, I'll tell to my friends to follow, and I'll suggest your channel to them also.
okay, okay. Thank you very much, brother. You people are supporting me, and always I motivate. You people like always I know improvement and learning something, make a new thing, upload a new idea on my YouTube channel. So I'm enjoying, and whenever you feel too stuck, brother, please try to connect with me. Definitely, I will solve your problem about English language. About
Okay, bro.
okay, please keep
Okay,
touch with me. Okay, and
okay, bro.
thank you very much for giving me times, and all the best to your future plan, and take care yourself, do hard work, do practice. Okay, and bye bye, and see you soon, brothers. See you, we will meet again after some time. Okay,
Thanks, bro. Bye bye.
bye
Have
bye,
a
bye bye.
nice
Yeah, you too, have a nice day. Goodbye.
bye.
Bye.